Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we will show you exactly how to apply the small caps effect to your text in Microsoft Word. This formatting trick adds a polished, professional look to headings and titles without making your text feel like it is shouting. Begin by highlighting the specific text you want to format. Next, navigate to the Home tab at the top of your screen. Look for the Font section and click the small pop-out arrow in the bottom right corner to open the font dialog box. For a faster method, you can simply press Ctrl+D on your keyboard to open this menu instantly. In the window that appears, look down to the Effects section. You will see a checkbox labeled Small Caps. Check that box. You can check the preview pane below to see exactly how your text will look. Click OK, and your selected text will immediately convert to small caps. If you ever want to remove this formatting, just highlight the text. Press Ctrl+D to open the menu again, and uncheck the small caps box. That is all it takes to manage small caps in Word. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more direct, no-nonsense software tutorials. See you in the next one.